I think Liverpool will carry out they did all the sport now. Committee shit now. They did the Arsenal come beat them. As in surprise. They go mad me. That's why I see 1-1. I say upon everything where they take, both the keeper where they side say they go the penalty now where they go play now.
Guy, so Aubameyang na correct player. I dey fear that guy. Aubameyang na correct player. I dey fear him. I dey fear that guy. Hey, Aubameyang na correct player na.
I watched the match.
Jerry, watch out!
Messi now scored a goal. Messi now scored a goal. Ronaldo go and for life. I watch out now. That game now, Papa. Hey, those boys.
Where is this man from?
Which one?
Where is this man from?
Now me, you
Messi went there for La Liga.
This one tire me, oh. This one tire me, oh. But wait, of Sabiati. No be your colleague them there for checkpoint there. They stop motor and people. And you there they chop coke and bread and they enjoy your life.
I don't suffer. Come close. I want to tell you something. I can't keep myself. Allow me to flex you. Allow me to flex you. Allow me to flex you. Shey you hear wetin I dey talk. It be like you dey mad. Alan Apple, you no get sense. Go borrow sense. Go borrow sense. You know they see me when I dey under sun, they suffer. You know they see me when I dey under rain, they suffer. You see as human being be. Nah. When you dey suffer, they no go know. Now when you don't dey chop, they come they talk nonsense. You be like, see. Come out for here. Come out for here. Come out for here. I know why they want you.
You do that thing well.
Come on. Play game, make I play. Which kind? I don't go kill myself because of.
I tell you, say no, the Messi score out. Tell me, say na Messi.
Look, I'm from my area. I'm from my area. Where them dey?
Hold on.
Which way?
Hold on.
Where is it?
No go.